Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa on Friday, June 27th, mentored the incubation class of the Edo Youth Impact Forum grants. In talks, he made them sabi how to prepare for the future by repackaging themselves well for business space so they fit boost local economy through the Edo State Government Startup Grant wey be 2 million naira. The person wey organize the boot camp wey also be special advisor to Edo State Governor on Finance, Investment and Revenue Generation, Kizito Okpewolo, presents the participant to the Deputy Governor for small ginger talk, support and mentoring. As the Deputy Governor dey yarn for John Odige Oyegun Public Service Academy, JOSPA, him encourage the youth wey get business idea make them break any limitation wey dey hold them and make them put all the things wey them don learn into action. E come still talk say government no go ever tire to support youth for Edo, especially for growth and empowerment.
We are here as a government to encourage the youth of Edo State. It is clear that in any society to strive, the youth has to be creative. You have done very well. We are all proud of you. So I believe by the grace of God, 5 out of you will also emerge as winners. But the most important thing to us as a government is that we are so proud of you for contributing towards the sustainability and development of our dear state. We are here as a government to encourage you and to support you. And ultimately, we have our brother here, Kizito. We are both youth. He is playing a very critical role in this government. And as a deputy governor that is less than 45 years of age, so I'm also a youth. So it is my hope and dream that out of the participants that are here, we become the Dangotes and the $10 of our government.
The Edo Youth Impact Forum na one program where Edo State government dey sponsor, so youths go sabi better skills for business, handwork and digital levels to prepare for future. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.